Okay, class, please all stand. Let us pray first. So the girl at the back, please come forward and lead the prayer. Amen. Good morning, class. So before you take your seat, please pick up some pieces of paper under your chair and align your chair properly. So, secretary, is there any absent of your class for today? Okay, very good. Maintain your perfect attendance. So, let's have a recap. So, what is your lesson last meeting? Okay, Miss Absin. Okay, very good. It seems that you already understand your last lesson. So, let's move to another lesson. So, before that, let's have some activity. So, please get some scratch paper and answer the first activity. So, I'll give you 5 minutes to answer this. So, the time starts now. Okay, time's up. Pass your paper forward. So now, before we discuss our topic, let's know first the objective of this lesson. So the objective of this lesson is, at the end of the lesson, the students will be able to explain the concept of systems of linear equation. Next is solving the system of linear equation using substitution method and solving the systems of linear equation using elimination method. So our topic for today is the system of linear equation. So what is system of linear equation? Okay, Abdullah. Okay, thank you. Miss Bihik. Okay, very good. So, system of linear equation. A system of linear equation is a set of two or more linear equations. So, this is an example of linear equation. This linear equation has two linear equations, but in this example, it has more linear equation. So, example, in order to know if an equation, in order to know if the linear equation is true or false. So, this is the ordered pairs. In order to know if a linear equation is true, just substitute these ordered pairs, the x and y, and if the end, the both sides are the same, it means it's true. But if not, it is false. So, example, the first equation is 4x minus y is equal to 9. So, the value of x is equal to 3 and the value of y is equal to negative 1. So, 4 times 3 is equal to 12 and negative 1. So, 12 minus 1 is equal to 13. So, 12 is not equal to 13. Therefore, this equation number 1 is false. Next is the second equation. So, the second equation is 3x plus 4y is equal to 5. So, the value of x is equal to 3 and the value of y is equal to negative 1. So, 3 times 3 is equal to 9 plus 4 times 1 is equal to negative 4. 9 minus 4 is equal to 5. Therefore, 5 is equal to 5. So, both sides are the same. Therefore, this equation number 2 is true. Now, let's move to another topic. So, solve a system using the substitution method. So, what is substitution? Okay, Miss Bihik. Very good. Okay, Mr. De La Cruz. Okay, thank you. So, substitution is to put in the place to another. So this is an example of equation. So this would be the equation number 1 and equation number 2. So in order to solve a system of linear equation using substitution method, first step is to solve one linear equation for y in terms of x. So transpose this 5x in order to becomes y is equal to 10 minus 5x. So this would be the third equation or the expression for y. So next step is to substitute that expression for y in the another linear equation. So you'll get an equation in x. So now let's find the value of x. So this would be the expression for y. So now let's substitute the expression for y. So therefore, 6x plus 2 times 10 minus 5x is equal to 4. Next step is to solve this. You have the x coordinate of the intersection. So now let's find the value of x. So 6x plus 2 times 10 is equal to 20 and 2 times negative 5x is equal to 10x. Therefore, 6x plus 20 minus 10x is equal to 4. Then, combine like terms. So, 6x minus 10x is equal to negative 4x. So, the 20 transpose this 20. So, it becomes 4 minus 20. So, it is equal to negative 16. Then, both sides divided by the coefficient. So, therefore, x is equal to 4. So, negative divided by negative is equal to positive. Therefore, the solution is 4 and negative 10. The value of x is 4 and the value of y is 10. So, this would be the ordered pairs to know if an equation is true or false. So, let's try the equation number 1. Let's check. So, equation number 1 is 6x plus 2y is equal to 4. Then, the value of x is 4 and the value of y is negative 10. Therefore, 6 times 4 is equal to 24 and 2 times negative 10 is equal to negative 20. Therefore, is equal to 4. Then, the both sides are the same. Therefore, this equation, the first equation, is true. Next is the second equation, which is 5x plus y is equal to 10. Then, the value of x is equal to 4 and the value of y is equal to negative 10. So, 5 times 4 is equal to 20. Then, minus 10 is equal to 10. Therefore, the both sides are the same. Therefore, the equation number 2 is also true. So now, let's move to another example. So this is an example of linear equation. This is the equation 1 and equation 2. So, the first step is to find the expression of y, which is y. So, transpose the 7x to another side. So, it becomes 19 minus 7x. So, this would be the third equation. So, now, substitute. Third step is to substitute the expression for y. So, 3x plus 2. So, the value of y is 19 minus 7x. So, 19 minus 7x is equal to 16. So, 3x, 2 times 19 is equal to 38 and 2 times negative 17x is equal to 14x is equal to 16. Next step is to combine like terms. So, 3x minus 14x is equal to 11x. Then, transpose the 38, so it becomes 16 minus 38. So, 16 minus 38 is equal to negative 22. Then, divide the both sides by the coefficient, which is 11. So, becomes x is equal to 2. This would be the value of x. Now, let's find the value of y. So, let's use the expression for y, which is renamed as third equation. So, y is equal to 19 minus 7x. So, just substitute the value of x, which is 2. So, y is equal to 19 minus 7x. So, y is equal to 19 minus 7 times 2. So, 19 minus 7 times 2 is equal to 14. So, 19 minus 14 is equal to 5. Therefore, the solution is 2 and 5. The value of x is 2 and the value of y is 5. So, this would be the ordered pairs to check if the equations are true. So, let's move to check the equation if it is true or not. So, this is the first equation, which is 3x plus 2y is equal to 16. So, the value of x is 2 and the value of y is 5. So, 3 times 2 is equal to 6 and 2 times 5 is equal to 10. So, 6 plus 10 is equal to 16 and 16. Therefore, the both sides are the same. It means that the equation number 1 is true. Next is the second equation. 7x plus y is equal to 19. So, the value of x is equal to 2 and the value of y is 5. Therefore, 7 times 2 is equal to 14 plus 5. So, 14 plus 5 is equal to 19. Then, the both sides are equal. So, therefore, the equation number 2 is also true. So, now let's proceed to solving a system of linear equation using elimination method. So, what is elimination? Okay, Miss Absin? Okay, Abdullah? Okay, thank you so much. So, solving system of linear equation, either of the two method, which is substitution and elimination method, their answers are same as the both method. So, let's try the elimination method, and also we still use the equation we use in the substitution method in order to know that their answers are the same as using the substitution method. So, the elimination method, we either add or subtract the equation to get an equation. So, this is the first step in solving the system of linear equation using elimination method. So, multiply each equation by suitable number so that the two equations have the same leading coefficient. So, this is the equation, which is 6x plus 2y is equal to 4. Then the second equation is 5x plus 2y is equal to 4. In order, so to eliminate the one variable so that they will be the same, have one variable, pick one of the equation and multiply it a number, a negative number or positive number, in order to one of each equation variable will be eliminated. So, example, in this equation 2, I multiplied it by negative 2 in order to eliminate this one variable. So, negative 2 times 5x is equal to 10x. Negative 2 times y is equal to negative 2y. Then, negative 2 times 10 is equal to negative 20. Next step is to subtract or add the second equation from the first. So, in order to eliminate one variable of the both equation, you need to add or subtract from another equation. So, negative 10 plus 6x is equal to negative 4. So, 2 minus 2y, so it's eliminated because the total is 0. So, it's 4 minus 20 is equal to negative 16. So, negative 4x is equal to 16. Then, divide the both sides by the coefficient, which is negative 4. Therefore, x is equal to 4. As you see, as you observe, using the equation that we use in substitution method, they both same as I use the elimination method, which is the value of x is equal to 4. Next is step 4. Solve the new equation for y. Substitute x into either equation 1 or equation 2 above and solve for y. Well, use it. So, let's use the equation 1 to find the value of y. So, the equation number 1 is 6x plus 2y is equal to 4. The value of x is equal to 4 plus 2y is equal to 4. Then, combine like terms. So, transpose this 24 into the other side so it becomes negative 24. So, 2y is equal to 4 minus 24. So, 2y is equal to 4 minus 24 is equal to negative 20. So, divide the both sides by coefficient. Therefore, y is equal to negative 10. Therefore, the solution is 4 and negative 10. So, the value of x is 4 and the value of y is negative 10. Same as the solution of this equation using the substitution method. This would be the ordered pairs. So, now let's move to check if each equation is true by substituting the x and y in each equation. The first equation is 6x plus 2y is equal to 4. Then, the value of x is equal to 4 and the value of y is equal to 10. So, 6 times 4 is equal to 24 and 2 times 10 is equal to negative 20. So, 24 minus 20 is 4. Therefore, the first equation is true. Next, the second equation is 5x plus y is equal to 10. The value of x is 4 and the value of y is negative 10. So, 5 times 4 is equal to 20 minus 10 is equal to 10. So, 20 minus 10 is equal to 10. The both sides are the same. Therefore, the equation is true. Now, let's have an activity. So, count 1 up to 4 from the back. Then, choose a leader and one presenter in order to present your outputs in front. Then, so this would be the group 1, group 2, group 3, and group 4. So please be guided to the criteria. So the content is equal to 30%. Knowledge and understanding is 35%. Cooperation, 20%. So I'll give you 10 minutes to do your task. So the time start now. Answer your activity. Please, President, come forward and picture the first activity because I'll move it to the second activity. So times is up. Post your output in front, and so presenter of each group, present your outputs in the class. Okay, the result of your group activity. So group 1 has 95%, group 2 97, group 3 has 94, and group 4 has the highest score, which is 98%. Okay, clap your hands for doing a great job. Now let's have a quiz. So get 1/4 sheet of paper and answer the following question. So the time starts now. Next. 3 times up. Change your paper in the clockwise. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So, the answer. So, who got 5, 4, 3 and below? Okay, very good. Now, copy your assignment. Okay, goodbye class. Thank you for listening.